In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vidIQ to get more views. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up YouTube and ensure that vidIQ is active. If you haven't already installed this browser extension, I highly recommend doing so, as it provides powerful insights that can help boost your video visibility. Now that you have vidIQ up and running, let's move on to one of its most invaluable features, the Keyword Inspector tool. This tool helps you discover keywords with high search volume but low competition, essentially identifying what topics your audience is interested in and where opportunities lie for you to stand out. By targeting these keywords, you can better position your content to be found by those searching for it. Once you have your keywords, it's time to incorporate them into your content. You'll want to place these keywords naturally within your video title, description, and tags. This not only enhances your video's searchability, but also improves its relevance. Remember to keep it natural. Forcing keywords can make content seem awkward and could deter potential viewers. Next, keep an eye on the vidIQ score, which evaluates how well your video is optimized for YouTube's search engine. Strive for a higher score before hitting that publish button. This score acts as a guide, showing areas where you might improve metadata or engagement aspects. Another excellent tool vidIQ offers is the Competitor tool. With this, you can analyze what similar creators in your niche are doing successfully. It's all about learning what works for others and adapting those strategies to your own content plan. By understanding how others are capturing audience attention, you can tailor your approach to achieve similar success. Additional guidance comes from vidIQ's SEO suggestions. These might include adding cards, end screens, or lengthening your video descriptions, all of which can enhance engagement and session time. Implementing these suggestions can make your content more appealing to viewers. Consistency is key to growth, so consistent posting is advantageous. With vidIQ's best time to post feature, you can pinpoint the ideal times to upload your videos, ensuring that they're entering the platform when your audience is most active. This can significantly impact how quickly your new video gains views. Finally, make it a habit to monitor your video analytics through vidIQ. This data will guide you on which types of videos are drawing in the most views, enabling you to cater more specifically to audience preferences. When you see a particular format or topic that resonates well with viewers, consider creating more content in that space. By leveraging these tools and insights offered by vidIQ, you position yourself to optimize your reach and grow your viewership strategically. That's all for today's guide. Implement these steps, and you'll likely notice a difference in your video performance. Keep creating and keep engaging with your audience.